We'll guide you through how to fix the camera or webcam not working on an HP laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is an annoying problem because you're then unable to go and use it. For example, you're trying to go and record something, join some type of video meeting, you can't. So we're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing to resolve this. So to go and get started, what you want to do is come down to the bottom and find the Windows Start button and click there. Find the option for settings. Then you want to come over to the left and you want to go and come down here and find the option for privacy and security. Scroll down and find the option for camera and click there. Make sure camera access is switched on. That's super key. Also make sure let apps access your camera is switched on. And also make sure these apps are switched on here to go and have access, because you can individually change it as well. So make sure they go and have access, go and see if that solves it, go and open up the app and hopefully it does. Now, if that doesn't, what we need to do is we need to go next and press search at the bottom, type in device manager and open it up. Now in here, what you need to do is you need to come and find the option for cameras. Press the arrow to the left to expand it and find the camera. Here it is, and you want to go and right click on it like so. Then you find the option for update driver and you can click there. You want to press browse my computer for drivers and press let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select it and you want to go and press next and it will go and install them. You can then go and open up the app and hopefully it goes and works. If it doesn't, what you want to do is go and right click on it and find the option for uninstall device. You can leave this unchecked here and go and press uninstall. Then what you can do is you can go and close that and press the Windows Start button at the bottom, go over to the right and press the power button and you can go and press restart. When it goes and restarts, it will then go and be reinstalled and hopefully it'll go and be solved. If you found this useful, then leave a like.